Yeet.
2 or 3 6. Proud with that one glove. I
left it in the fucking parking lot for sure.
I did this once on a real cold morning with Edward and left my gloves at the car.
Let's get it.
You're gonna love it.
Oh, Hawk's all right. Shit. You ain't lying about that one. What happened?
Drop to the berm to a gap. Once you hit the berm, let it go.
Not bad at all.
Nah.
Dropping. You see that? The slowest jump ever right there, bro? That was the slowest jump I fucking done right there.
I think you went right. Yeah.
Huh? All right. What is this coming up, Pops?
There's more funky rollers, bro.
Got it.
I'll let you know. So this one kind of a stupid, weird left turn. Stay outside into it, and it's a drop.
Got you. Is that the that's the drop right there?
Yeah, that one. Right now, here's a fucking gnarly shoot.
See, Pops.
Feeling a little ballsy today.
No, I'm not.
Because I'm not great.
Get it, boy. Get it. Hey,
Where's the line?
don't even worry about that.
That's what I'm saying. So the line is this one right here, right?
Yeah, he's fucking right where these tires are.
Got you, Pops. Woo! Yeah, that turn does come at you fast, son of a bitch. Yeah.
Another roller right here.
Is this a oh?
Pretty nasty.
Mm-hmm.
Everything here is nasty.
Damn. That wasn't that. It wasn't bad. It's just. Oh! Good save. Fuck. Good fucking save.
I saw his rear tire above his head.
Oh shit.
Holy fuck.
Good.
Dude, his rear tire was back here.
Fuck, bro.
Nice shit.
Good.
Did it look that good from up there?
It wasn't.
That was a sick little fucking run right there.
I love that route.
You seen it? I was just like, fuck it, I'm just gonna take it. Never, bro. This is my first time. Okay, yeah, definitely my first time here. I finally get to go. Finally get to ride through this tunnel. Finally. Huh?
I hit everything.
I don't know where the fuck I'm going. I went the wrong way, damn it. It's supposed to be that way. Fuck. Good shit, Edward. Woo! Go. Yeah. Woo, good shit, Nano. Woo!
God damn.
Fucking dirty bird ball. Him is nice, Pops. Shit.
Felt nasty though. That looks dirty.